This is the Realme Powerbank 2. This is one of the latest release made by Realme. This powerbank has a 10,000 mAh which has the capability of 18-watt quick charging and can charge 2 devices at a time. Taking the powerbank out, we get a user manual with warranty card. We also get a 2-in-1 charging cable having Type-C connector as well as micro USB connector. Now let's talk about this. The design of the powerbank is slim and has a rough finish which makes it easy to hold. It has a USB port and a Type-C port, where the Type-C port supports two-way quick charging. Here we can compare the height and the thickness of the powerbank with Redmi Note 6 Pro. This powerbank is available on Flipkart as well as on Amazon. I bought it from Flipkart at Rs 999. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.